Meet Alex, a middle manager at a growing company. Every day, Alex navigates four critical challenges: managing a team, managing up, managing sideways, and working cross-functionally. Let's walk through a day in Alex's life and discover what it takes to thrive in this role. First challenge, managing a team. Alex knows that communication is key. By setting clear expectations, fostering trust, and empowering the team to take ownership, Alex builds a culture of accountability and collaboration. Next, Alex faces the challenge of managing up. It's not just about delivering results, it's about anticipating the needs of senior leadership. Alex prepares by offering insights, solutions, and maintaining transparency, ensuring that their boss is always informed and confident in Alex's abilities. But Alex doesn't stop there. Managing sideways, working with peers, is equally vital. By fostering positive relationships with colleagues, Alex creates allies across the organization. This ensures that when challenges arise, Alex has a network of support ready to collaborate. The fourth challenge, cross-functional work. Alex coordinates with teams across different departments. By understanding their goals and aligning efforts, Alex breaks down silos, ensuring the entire organization works toward the same objectives. Succeeding in middle management is about balancing multiple demands and navigating complex relationships. But with a proactive mindset, strong communication skills, and a collaborative spirit, Alex tackles each challenge head-on and makes an impact every day. Whether you're new to middle management or looking to grow, remember, success is within reach. Lead with purpose, stay adaptable, and always aim to empower those around you.